Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to continue with our Java classes. In this program, I'm going to create a Java class and then be able to access different methods under that class, okay? Now, I already created here our class which is method 2, okay? Now, what I'm going to do is to create a class. Now, you could also create a class something like this. So, just define here the class name, class, let's say distance, open and close curly brace. Okay. Then, let's define some variable. Let's say integer feet, and then double inches. Inches. Okay. So, I created a class named distance, and then inside distance, I have here two variables. What we're going to do here is that we're going to access the variables here in our main program. So let's create here a public static void main. Then let's now create an object. Okay. To do that, first thing is you need to use the class name, in which case we have here as well. Anyway, the format is class name followed by the object name is equals to new and then the class name. Okay, let's class name, open and close parenthesis, then semicolon. So we have a class, sorry, let's rename this as class name. Okay, so the class name is distance. Let's give it a name, let's say D1 is equals to new distance. Okay, this is our first object. So we already have D1. Let's create another object, distance, D2 is equals to new distance. Okay. Now I have here two classes. I have here a class named distance and I created here two objects, D1 and then D2. Now I'm going to assign a value, okay, for our feet and inches using our objects here. To do that, we have here D1. If you press that, you would automatically see the variables here. Let's say feet, since it is an integer, let's give it 1, and then D1 dot inches, let's say is equals to 1, 2 dot 3, 4. Next is let's also assign a value for our D2 object. D2 dot feet is equals to 2. Oh, sorry. And then we have here D2 dot inches is equals to, okay. Then let's display the output of our program. So first thing is we're going to display the distance 1, followed by our variables D1 dot feet, okay. Some spaces here. Okay, distance 1, let's say feet is equals to plus inches, okay, inches is equals to then plus D1 dot inches there. Okay, and let's copy this one here, paste it, then let's change this to distance 2, and then this one here. Okay, so our program objective is for us to display now the content, since we have here assigned values to the objects that we have created. Let's run our code. Then this is our output. So our output displays for distance 1, for our object 1, 1, and then 1, 2.34. And then for the second output, we have here 2, and then 2, 3.45. Okay? So this is how you create objects in Java. And this is also how we assign values. So, hope you like the program. Thank you for watching. Bye.